Hi, Miss Tracy here. We're going to show you a couple of really fun activities that you can do for your kids while they're stuck at home. And it's all done with things that you can find around your house. Our first one today is 2 different games you can make for your kids with just a simple roll of duct tape. Okay, with our roll of duct tape, we're going to make a grid pattern on the floor. Doesn't have to be any exact measurements, whatever size works for the space you have in your home. Just as long as you have 9 squares, because we're going to make fun with a traditional game of tic-tac-toe. I have some hot pad items here. You can use anything you have in your home, whatever you think would work. And have the kids take them, toss them out, and try to beat each other at a game of tic-tac-toe. Simple as that. The other thing you can do with your taped grid pattern on the floor is get out them little playhouses, cars, trucks, and let them little ones have a nice big road map and make their own city. As you see, I've stuck a couple little playhouses out here. We have a fire station, a police station, a schoolhouse, and then here are some cars. They drive along and follow the roads to the buildings. It's like a big, huge racetrack set for them little ones.